To remove the gas valve and fan assembly on a Rinnai I-Series Plus boiler, begin by either unplugging or turning off power at the breaker and shutting off the gas supply to the unit. After removing the front cover, locate the gas valve and fan assembly in this location. We will begin by disconnecting these components. Please note where these wires are connected, so that they will be reconnected correctly during reassembly. Remove the flue temp sensor, the ignition coil wire, and the 2 flame rod wires. Next, remove the igniter assembly harness, the fan Molex connector, the front gas valve Venturi sensor, the Venturi motor connector, the back gas valve Venturi sensor, and the gas solenoid harness. Remove the screw and the igniter assembly bracket. Next, we will remove the screw and clip that connect the gas line and the gas valve assembly using a long-handled Phillips head screwdriver. After the screw is removed, turn and remove the gas pipe clip. We will now remove the fan and gas valve assembly by removing these 3 screws. It is recommended that the bottom 2 screws be removed before the top screw. Once those screws are removed, pull the gas pipe down to detach it from the assembly. The entire assembly can then be rolled and removed from the water heater. To disassemble the fan and the gas valve, you will need to remove 5 screws. Notice that there is a hole in the assembly to allow access to this screw. Once all the screws have been removed, you can take the components apart. If you have any issues, reach out to Rinnai's call center for additional support.